Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So we are going to discuss about the multiple choice questions for your semester and theory examination course related to the extension 111 rural sociology and educational psychology. So in previous class we discussed about the social control and social change. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on the topic, that is a leader. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's discuss about the some MCQs on this particular topic, that is a leader. So question number 11, Gram Sevak is a dash dash leader. Okay, so options are lay leader, professional leader, popular leader, operational leader. So correct answer is what here? Professional leader. Gram Sevak is a professional leader. So I already taught you in a theory class of leader, that is a classification of leader is there. So go through that classification. Okay, so you should understood each and every question. Then next question, question number 12, dash dash is a person who has been spontaneously considered or chosen as being influential in a specific situation. Options are prominent leader, lay leader, leader, leadership. So correct answer is what? Leader. It is a definition of leader. Okay, so person who has been spontaneously considered or chosen as being influential in specific situation. Then the question number 13, dash dash pattern are decided on the basis of personal traits in a rural society. What we call as that particular pattern. So options are leader, B leadership, C professional leader, D lay leader. Correct answer is what? Leadership. So it is a definition of leadership. Then we move toward the next slide. Question number 14. Dash dash is an example of traditional leaders. Options are given: A tribal chief, B MLA, C priest, D headmaster. So tribal chief is a correct answer here. Okay, option A. Then question number 15. Dr. Ambedkar is an example of dash dash leader. Okay, options are religious leader, political leader, caste leader, functional leader. Correct answer is what here? Caste leader is a correct answer. Okay, then we move toward the next question. Question number 16. The example of religious leader is as following. So what is the example of religious leader? It is the headmaster, B priest or father, C MLA, D Gram Sevak. Correct answer is what? Priest or father, Pujari. We call as a Pujari in Marathi. So then next question is the 17 number. MLA and MPs are example of dash dash leader. Options are opinion leader, functional leader, political leader, caste leader. Correct answer is what? Political leaders. Okay, so whatever the MLA MPs are, they are called as a political leader. Then next question number 18. Headmaster is an example of dash dash leader. Options are A political leader, opinion leader, caste leader, functional leader. Okay, so what is the functional leader? Person who are identified due to their work. Okay, they are specialized in a specific job or specific skill. So those people who are going to teach, they call as the teacher. Okay, headmasters. So identify through their specific work, that is a functional leader. So headmaster is the example of functional leader. Then question number 19, dash dash is the example of lay leader. Option A youth club president, B extension worker, C Anna Hazare, D Lata Mangeshkar. So what is the correct answer here? Youth club president. He is the leader, but he did not pay for her or his work. That is called as a lay leader. Okay. Then next question number 20. Hitler is an example of dash dash leader. So you know there is a three classification is there, that is a democratic, autocratic and laissez-faire. Okay, so here Hitler is an example of dash dash leader. A democratic leader, B autocratic leader, C laissez-faire leader, D lay leader. So style of leadership, on that basis this particular classification is there. So Hitler is the example of autocratic leader. Okay, it's also called as an authoritarian leader. Then next question, question number 21. Example of democratic leader is dash dash. Okay, Lokneta, we called as Lokneta. So here examples are PM CM, MLA MP, C Gram Sevak, D Youth Club President. So what will be the correct answer here? Correct answer is what? PM CM, that is the Prime Minister, Chief Minister, we call as the democratic leader, because they are elected through the people, okay, through some election procedure, so that we called as a democratic leader. Lokneta, लोकांनी choose केलेला. Then the next question, question number 22. The decision making process is a centralized in dash dash type of leader or leadership pattern. What we call that particular leadership pattern or leader, where the decision making process is centralized, means those who are a leader of that particular leadership pattern, only that person is having the authority to take a decision. Autocratic leader, democratic leader, laissez-faire leader, or none of the above. Correct answer is what here? Autocratic leader is the correct answer, okay, or autocratic leadership. Then the next question, question number 23. Decision making is a time consuming process under dash dash type of leader or leadership pattern. So whatever the decision making is there, it is a time consuming. Why? Because the particular leader involving their subordinate or their employees in the particular decision making process. That's why it takes them more time. So here autocratic leader is option, laissez-faire leader, C democratic leader, D none of the above. So what will be the correct answer here? Democratic leader. Okay. Then next question, question number 24. Laissez-faire is a dash dash phrase meaning let do. Okay. So this particular phrase comes from which word? It is from Latin, Greek, Portuguese, or French. So correct answer is what here? French. So laissez-faire is a French phrase meaning let do. Okay. Then the question number 25. Dash dash type of leadership. Okay, in that leader allows people to make their own decisions. Okay, so here options are democratic leader, autocratic leader, lay leader, or laissez-faire leader. So in the laissez-faire leader or leadership pattern, so particular leader allows other subordinates to take their own decisions. So correct answer is what? Laissez-faire leader. So these are the some 25 questions from this particular topic. You also go through the details, whatever video I uploaded on the YouTube regarding this leader. So this is about the leader. Then today's question is, rural population more dash dash in nature. Options are heterogeneous, homogeneous, close, or personal. You should comment correct answer in comment box. Thank you.